जय जवान। जय जवान।
चुप रहा थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट करके, हाँ बीच में, हाँ ऊपर चले क्या होना पड़ेगा।
GBN Government Polytechnic Niloketi. It is an honor to have such a distinguished audience who come together to celebrate a transformative milestone in Institute's journey towards technological excellence and skill development. To our esteemed partners from Maruti Suzuki, India's trusted name in mobility, and Festo, a global pioneer in automation and technical education. We extend our heartfelt gratitude for choosing GPN Government Polytechnic Nilokeli as the home for this state-of-the-art smart factory lab. Your vision and commitment to fostering innovation and empowering the next generation of professionals have made this collaboration a reality. This lab is not just a facility, it is a beacon of progress designed to harness the power of Industry 4.0 technologies. Through this initiative, Maruti Suzuki India Limited and Festo India Private Limited are bridging the gap between academia and industry, equipping students, engineers, and professionals with the skills to thrive in the future of manufacturing. The Smart Factory Lab will serve as a dynamic platform for hands-on learning, research, and innovation, aligning with India's ambitions under Make in India and Skill India. To our guests, industry partners, and the academic community, your presence here underscores the shared commitment to building a robust ecosystem for technical.
कंप्यूटर साइंस स्टूडेंट्स want to learn at manufacturing, but उनको पता नहीं सेंसर क्या है, डेटा वहीं से कलेक्ट हो रहा है. This is the place where they can see everything and then they come to the simulation tool and that is how we get that.
So here, as sir was saying, we can help the people to abuse the system. So they can always learn from their mistakes. Yeah, yes, exactly. So from here they can able to learn it in that way. And apart from present learning, like it also have a window for futuristic, like implementing IIoT applications. So where we just used MQTT and we connected with the system through internet in that way. So where with the help of MQTT protocol, like we can able to publish control in that way. So right now I'm just trying to control the actuation of cylinder through internet.
Some applications
Yeah, like if somebody want to implement Industry 4.0, even in their industrial line also, they should know some applications where they can try out and then they can able to incorporate the same thing once they
So
go back.
before going practically, they should virtually try.
They can try,
They
yes,
should
yeah.
understand ki what are the flaws,
Yeah.
whether the system is giving
So
expected
like
outcome.
yeah, light turns on and we can turn off. So next time, like when somebody want to control their system in their plant, like they can able to establish such kind of IoT applications. They can always monitor the process and they can always get updated about what's happening in industry.
So with less human intervention.
Correct.
This is what
Yeah.
is necessary.
And especially even like we can even able to set the node rate in such a way, if we can even able to get some kind of mail notification in that way. So that would be very much useful. Yeah.
So they can get a
Yeah.
message. Things have stopped and this requires some intervention.
So rather than running around the system, we can straight away go and address the issue.
Achha, so as of now, what happens is if assembly line stop, we used to hit and try and find what is the error. So with this system, they'll get a notification that this system is, this particular component is faulty and you have to.
Yeah. So they can able to practice such thing. That confidence can able to build them to try out new things and implement the same thing in the shop floor. That is what our idea is. And moreover, to make as much interest as possible in the learning, the learning should be a kind of fun in that way. So they will be get attached with the learning process.
So they can think and develop different systems,
Correct.
different outputs with the same system, same kind of thing.
And that's why when they go to software, they can take ideas from here.
We also do not